Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and we will be having a role play with which is Austin, and Easy 2019, which is Easy, and we will be making another video of a welcome to bloxburg role play. Now let's get it started. Okay guys, better get in the kitchen. Okay, so
why are we in the kitchen?
Because I'm getting your food.
Ooh, secret room, nice.
And don't tell anybody this is a secret room. It's a secret.
Oh, nice. Why did you bring us to this? Ah! Lady, where did you just go?
Oh my gosh.
Get away from me.
Okay, so now.
Why is there a unicorn on the cameras? Oh.
What are you doing with this computer?
And what are you doing taking us here?
This is your jail. Now?
Jail? Well, I understand why I'm here.
Now this is gonna be your room, Austin. This is gonna be your room. In the middle. You're gonna have the middle room. Fine, you can have this room. Now, that's your room. Evie, you're gonna have the middle room.
Evie?
Middle room. You're gonna have to have the middle room. Come on, Evie, you gotta get the middle room.
I can't open this.
Oh, too bad. Oh, okay. Very good. Now get in there. There you go. I'm gonna get you guys food.
What? Your two showers. I would rather shower. Yeah. I need to eat.
Okay. Okay, so I'm just getting the food right now. of you is gonna have your vegetable soup, and one of you are gonna have beef. I gotta cut it. Okay, so I'm cutting the vegetables for the vegetable soup. There you go.
Yeah.
I'm gonna boil it. I'm gonna boil it. Okay.
I just get out of this place.
And what are you doing? I guess I'm. Who's ready? How did you get out? And how did you get out? How did you get in the shower?
Oh, it's kind of simple. What is
You're in trouble.
Never thought of anything, did you, smarty? Yeah.
You are in good trouble.
Good trouble?
I mean bad trouble. Wait, what did you just say? Oh well, you guys are gonna have to starve yourself for about a year. So now I'm gonna
Why am I here? Why am I here? Why am I here? I'm just a regular guy. What happened? I was just partying with my friends. Excuse me, miss. Could you get me out of here?
No, what are you doing?
I just fell through here when I was partying with my friends. I'm Beardo.
Well, this is a trap.
Possibly, actually, I'm just a regular pedestrian. It would be very rude. Also, you're a cop. You're supposed to be good with this world. You help me get out, miss?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.
Wait, let me just place the food first.
Okay. Okay, miss, can you help me escape?
Okay. Go up that ladder. Go up that ladder. There you go.
The body's too fat.
Well, figure it out yourself.
There. Now can you open this door too?
Okay, let me just get up there. I can't get on the ladder. It's very hard to get on the ladder. Take down the ladder.
Are you okay, miss?
This is
I think you're supposed to be a cop.
I can't get up this ladder.
Here, miss.
Okay, I go. Wait a second. You recognize someone about your face. You were the prisoner, weren't you?
No, pause real quick. Lots of people have the same face type.
Oh well, I'm trapped in here too, so sorry.
Well, miss, I know you can open the door. You're a cop.
Well, then why didn't you roommate me? But I can't open the door. I'm gonna pause real quick. I can't open the door.
Now try this.
I can't. Well, sorry, I can't escape. I guess we're just gonna have to start going in this party, in the lone party.
Miss, this place is actually just... Miss, are you okay?
Yes. Come on, you're gonna be a prisoner. I'm just kidding.
Number 10, I text Austin. Hey, I'm in the party room. Do you know how to open the door? Yeah. I just locked it. Okay, unlock it.
Wait, I heard some voices like. Wait.
No, we weren't talking. We were texting. We were texting. We weren't talking, Ashley. You can't hear a text.
Oh.
Hey, can you unlock it? Well, did you hear that, guys? Time to end the video.
Well, bye guys. I will see you next time. So bye bye. Have a great day.